is just me, Robin, and today I am participating in the Summer Garden Tea Party Tablescape 20 collab being hosted by the beautiful Shanji of Shanji Living Life to the Fullest and her exquisite co-host Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It, and Andrea of Andrea Mason's The Queen's Court. Now in this challenge, we were to create a summer garden tea party and the theme of your choice, and then you were also to give 2 tips on how to host the perfect tea party. We were also to mention all of the hosts in the video: Shanji Living Life to the Fullest, Tammy Me, Myself, and DIYing It, and Andrea Mason's The Queen's Court. Then you were also to link their channels and the playlist in the description box. We were to upload by 6 o'clock a.m. on July the 17th, and then just have lots of fun. Now my tablescape is called Summer Garden Tea Party Tablescape 20 Under the Big Blue Sky. Now you guys know I live in Florida, and if I could live outside I probably would, but I used my patio table to create my summer garden tea party theme. So with that being said, this is my summer garden tea party tablescape 20 Under the Big Blue Sky. I used my blue and white porcelain and china. I have a mixture of styles, which goes along with my boho chic theme. I have to put that in there all the time. And then I accessorized with blue and white. Again, I shopped my home for everything on the table. I purchased absolutely nothing for this tablescape. And Shanji, I'm sorry, but for some reason, I forgot to put this on my calendar. And I was going through YouTube and I was like, oh no, I missed it. So I am doing this exactly 2 hours before I have to go to work. Yeah, I think it actually came out pretty well. So wonder what you can do when you are pushed on a deadline. But anyway, I wanted to participate because I love tea parties. A group of ladies that I used to work with, we, before the corona mess, used to go every month to tea parties. And we would go around to different places in Jacksonville that had tea rooms. So I enjoy doing that. Now, one of the things that I remember from going to the tea parties or to the tea rooms is that you always have to have a beautiful tea set. And this is my tea set that I am most proud of. I purchased this at the thrift store, actually at the Goodwill. And the whole set was $20-ish, and it's the teapot, the creamer bowl, the sugar bowl, and each cup and saucer, and I forgot my little spoons. I gotta go get those. But anyway, it was $20-ish, and on that particular day, whatever tag it was half off. So I got the set for $10. And it is the most beautiful thing that I've ever seen, and I absolutely love it. But that's the tea set, and then there's the little cup and saucers. It's a service for 4, and then it also has some little spoons. I use my faux blue orchids to wrap around my tiered tray, which is a cut glass crystal 3-piece pedestal, and on it I added different flavors of tea, some honey spoons, some coffee, and some hot chocolate. Because not everybody that I know drinks tea, not everybody that I know drinks coffee, and not everybody that I know also drinks hot chocolate. So I made a variety. Now, in a traditional tea, you would have some type of tea, and you would use your teapot for that. And they would bring out in, I think, 3 or 4 courses in a traditional British tea. You get your tea and your cream or your milk and your sugar and your honey. Now, again, like I said, everybody I know doesn't drink tea, so I provided hot chocolate and a flavored hot chocolate, and then also some coffee. So that's why I have 2 teapots on the table. And then I also have a picture for whatever beverage we can use in our wine glasses. The dishware I got from the charger plates I purchased from the thrift store. The dinner plates I purchased from Hobby Lobby, as well as the little bowl and saucer. On this side, I got that picture from the thrift store, the little bowl with the top. I got that from the thrift store. Yeah, I'm a thrift store shopper. I can find a lot of stuff at the thrift store. And then also in a traditional British tea, again, they have your different flavored teas. And then they also do, the first course is usually some type of little finger sandwiches, like cucumber sandwiches or deviled egg or little ham sandwiches. And then they also do a little tray of like petit fours or tea cookies or something like that. They'll have maybe a little bit of fruit, and then they will also have at the end some type of dessert. So yeah, they're pretty fun, and they bring out their best china or their best tea sets to do it, and you set the tables up really pretty and fancy. So my tips are to have different flavored teas. Bring out your prettiest teapot, and then just have lots of fun. Get your best friends and do it. Or you can jazz it up and do whatever you want to do with it. I'm not a traditionalist. But this is my tea party. And it's an absolutely beautiful day out here today in Florida. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you, Shanji, for inviting us to join you guys in this tablescape. I will be checking out the playlist in a little while. I hope you guys are having a beautiful, blessed day. Stay safe. Thank you, Tammy and Andrea, for also hosting with her. Everybody, please go by and check out all of the channels and the playlist. You guys take care, be blessed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.